howtodotherobot.com.
You know you want to.
Oh. Guess what we get to do now? We're going to move quickly as a robot. Specifically, we're going to work on your arms. Quick arms. Your arms. So, engage like in this position, and you're just going to come out and in. This is the action. The elbow comes out when the hand comes in. When you bring the elbow in, the hand comes back to forward position. Ba, ba. Ba, ba. Alright? Together, we shall do this. And really try to focus on your stops. When you come in, stop cleanly. Come out, stop cleanly. Yes. So unclean would look like this. Can you see the difference? It's just kind of soft and human looking. We don't want that. We want robots. Robots. There, you see the difference now, don't you? It's crispy clean. Oh yeah. If I were to count these aloud, it would go something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could keep on going, but I won't. I can also make noises. Oh, oh. Sayaka bada booty bega bada bada diddy gada doodoo boo boo bobby geeky dining dono ha ha ho ho ha. Plants, animals, trees, planes, I don't know. Okay. Quick hands. You got it. So if you were to put that together, it would look something like this. Oh. Crispy clean with those quick hands. For those of you who know, Yogananda is my man.
So, Tetris calls it texture.
DVDs! We got them. Lots of them. A whole lot of them.
DVD is incredible, and who wants to watch on YouTube? Look how small we are.
Seriously.
Look how small I am talking to you right now. Do you really? You can't even see my legs like that? Yeah. You can't even see his legs.
Yes. We've got paid downloads that you can put on your iPod, your PSP, or your cell phone.
Buy the DVD.
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 You can stream the whole lesson plan over an hour of footage for just over $1. And you don't have to keep clicking back and forth, back and forth.
And it costs nothing once you learn how it costs. When you learn to do it, it costs nothing.
I can just start roboting right now.
And
I
guess
don't
what?
need music. I don't need anything.
So please, come and visit the site.
There's so much goodness in it.
Just buy it!
It's so beautiful and
It's so
wonderful.
good. It's
so
good.
healthy for you.
It's so good.
It is healthy
It's so good.
And we've put a lot of work into it, and you know, we hope that you'll come back for more.
Truly, we just want you to feel good about yourself.
That's why we're doing this. We want to spread the dance.
How to
No.